What is it?
Look at that one. Look, Mason.
I know. Yoink.
Cohen, what is it? Oh my goodness.
Have you been watching him?
Yeah. You watching what I'm videoing right now, but yeah. He went all there all by himself. I got a video of it too.
Oh my goodness.
A trailer!
Oh, what does that go to, Cohen?
He's like, this is nice.
Huh? Is that a good trailer?
That's how she go on jumping this.
What is that? Oh my god!
Serious business.
Oh yeah, look at his face.
What is that, Bear?
Oh my god, it has
Your own tractor?
That's pretty awesome.
Dang.
Yeah.
You got a tractor?
That corner.
Yeah, and this
Wow.
Look at ready to put it on.
Be nice.
Wow.
He's so fast.
I know.
Okay.
Cohen, what is it, man? Oh my god, he's freaking out right now.
He wants to do it.
All right, Bear.
We'll have to give Mason a try.
Yeah.
Let's give him a chest and alley.
Yeah, everybody's seeing that, right?
Oh god.
All of a sudden the
There you go.
look ahead. Tell
He's not going to stop, Greg, so you're going to have to.
They just
Okay. You gotta press the gas.
in the yard and then steer. Look way
Press the
ahead.
gas.
Look up.
Woo! Watch up here.
There's a pedal up here.
Right here, step on that.
Turn the wheel, Cohen. Now, Cohen, listen to Summer. If you want to turn this way, look. Turn your wheel. Now push the button. Push your foot. See?
Can I have a turn, Cohen?
Keep pushing. Push, push, push. Push hard.
Wow.
Oh, wait, no, it's not.
Does it?
turn your wheel.
Turn your wheel, Cohen. Does it? What? How does it charge?
Dude, it's got a freaking trailer on it. It's a real tractor.
It's got reverse.
Turn your wheel.
There's reverse and the. Hang on, hang on.